What are you building?
This? I built the Titan. I'm building these Texans, and they're fun to build. And I even made a large model of a Titanic. See?
Looks like it's broken like the Titanic too.
See?
Wow. Kick her in. Okay, wait for brother. Come on. Oh my God. You don't even need me anymore. You know, a lot of folks ask, God, like, why are you being so intense, you know? And really, I'm not being intense. It's the cost of failure with this sport's pretty high. And again, they're only 8 years old, so I don't expect perfection. I mean, if you look at their feet from where we were 2 years ago, or even 6 months ago, way, way better. I don't really call them out on their feet too much anymore. But the point is, like, it's become a habit now. You see them making corrections, and that's really all I'm looking for. I'm not looking for perfect form, perfect technique. I'm just looking for them to start building those habits. Four to 6 second loop, really tough. This is a lot of laps. And so, you know, you get to minute 8, 9, 10, kind of drags on. So I get it, it's tough. But this is the stuff that builds habits, chase habits, so they don't have to think. It just becomes automatic. So I'm really not a big fan of asking my kids to do anything that I'm not willing to do myself. Now, having said that, obviously I gotta work. I can't quite take the risks that they do. And, you know, I train with them, but they obviously have more, I make sure that they have more seat time than I do. Like, I may miss, but they get more seat time, so they should be better. And having said that, I can 100% understand why a motocross kid on an 85 is faster than their dad. I mean, shoot, once they get to 65, they'll probably be faster than me. But yeah. I know, but what did we work on today?
Jumping.
Okay. So what did we learn about jumping?
Don't do this.
Oh, yeah, we gotta work on that, huh?
And move forward and back. Forward.
When do we move
Neutral.
forward?
Forward when we gas it, but neutral when we slow down.
Okay. All right.
We'll see you in the next video.